Hi, this is Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. Homemade food today is what's on the channel. This is pork loin, and I wrapped it in bacon. It was already seasoned when I bought it. One of them was just like regular. It was, I don't know what kind of seasoning it had, but the other one was lemon pepper seasoning. I remember that. But the other one had all these types of seasoning on it. It looked really good. Smelled really good. So that's what we have going right there. I put some gravy on it, and it was wrapped in bacon. And then I have the twice baked potatoes right there. I made those also. And then of course we got some green beans to go with it on the side. This is my first time trying them. Dragon Lady, she always says she's gonna make these. And I asked her and sorry, my mic. Pink were the ones that told me how to do this. And then of course I got myself a garlic pepper. I got some water here, and so I left the pork loin. I left it in there for let me see, almost 3 hours. So let's see how that is. Let's have a taste. And I was kind of like, pork loin is a little too dry to me, so I'm like, let me put some gravy, to get wet it a little bit. And then I wrapped it in bacon, of course. And then you can see that. Provecho. The bacon. Wow. That's good. That's really good. This is I want to say this is a lemon pepper one. You can taste the lemony on it. Oh, very good. Everybody does these different, I guess. The ladies that told me how to do it, and I could have took a screenshot, but I couldn't find it. So what I did it the way they said, and then but on the inside, I have I put, of course, black pepper, salt. I put some sour cream, some cheese. I put some garlic, a little bit of milk and butter, just mash it all up. And then I put, just because I didn't have any onions, what are they called, chives or whatever, the ones you put on there. So what I did is I had cilantro, but the one that's in the little tubes. I just pour a little bit in there to kind of give it the flavor. So, let's see. And then I put, of course, some sour cream on top. Me voy a quemar los hocico probably, so I'm just letting y'all know. It's already washed out. But let's see how that. Ay, se me cae la madre. Wow. They're pretty good. I wanted to crispy it up more on top, but I was really hungry. It's really late. I'm recording this really late. It's Sunday right now, but this you'll be seeing this on Monday. I would definitely do this. Oh, and bacon. It's got bacon in there. What I did is, instead of bacon bits, I bought that bacon that's already made and you're just gonna put it in the microwave. And I did it. And then I kind of put it like for a minute. It's supposed to be less. But then when I got it, I put on some gloves. And I just did this, and it was just like crunching on the crumbs and stuff. So that was even better, so I wouldn't have to be cutting it. Let me try the one that has the different spices on it. I don't know what it said. I threw out the packaging. No me acuerdo lo que decía. Yeah, let's see. Let's go too. I think it tastes like, I want to taste like oregano. Está bueno. I've never really eaten like this, pork loin like this. I mean, I always eat it at my brother Frank's house for either Christmas or Thanksgiving. His wife makes one. That's how I've eaten it, and when we saw it, I was like, So I was sleeping on these baked potatoes, man. Pretty good. No. I made sure to wash them really, really good. Because I'm eating the cascara and everything. I'm sure that's how everybody's supposed to eat it, but... And then I boiled them and then... bacon. I boiled them and then cut them long ways. I scoop up all the inside. And then you stuff them in there. It's good. It's really good. That's Dragon Lady's specialty. I think the only thing I'm missing is some jalapeno. But I didn't have any. My birthday's on Wednesday. I already I got a card from Sindoro. Thank you, Sindoro. It's beautiful, handmade, even better. And then last night, Mandy stopped by. Amanda, my mom, she brought me a gift, and I've always wanted it. And she had asked me, she says, "You have a deep fryer?" I said, "Nah." She gave me it. I'm not deep fryer, air fryer. I was like, wow. I loved it. Thank you, Larry and Amanda. I loved it. That's the fat. I'm not gonna eat that. I'm already fat. This is so good. I don't even want to talk. I just want to eat. And of course, there's going to be a cat in the damn thing. Never froze. Yeah, so now my videos have that. I could have probably just picked it up, but I'm trying the. This is a new lipstick. It's from NYX. Or it's it's their like the liquid lip, but it's matte. I'm giving it the Claudia seal. See if it stays with my food. This is like wow. I dropped it. Where'd it go? See how it's got the bacon wrapped on it? Let me show you. I wrapped the bacon on it. Let me see. Let me show you. It gets washed out with the wine. It's really good. I got two. I am gonna finish them. Cause it's actually like one baked potato, right? But I stuffed them like really stuffed them. Coming off a little. Not Claudia approved. I'm not coming out bad like the red one, but excuse me. I worked all the mantequita. That's when you know when something's good, when I hardly don't talk. Okay, this is really good. Thank God we didn't rolls or anything like that. Because this is a lot. There's still some left over. Or y'all wanna come over and eat? It's like the heart piece of the fat. Get a chance. Look these up. They're good. This is good too. Excuse me. Being fancy up in here with a knife and a fork. I'm wearing a jean dress. This jean dress is about, I kid you not, about 20 years old. I had it before I even had my son. And then when I ate so much weight, it wouldn't even come down my shoulders. And then now I can wear it again. It's a little looser than how it used to fit, but it's fine. This is so good. If you have a chance, try these twice baked potato. Delicious. Thank you, Dragon Lady and Pink, to letting me know about these. Again, thank you, Amanda, for my air fryer. I loved it. Excuse me. You're the best. You and Larry are awesome to me. Sindoro, your cart. The handmade is even better because it's coming from your heart, and I love that. So, if you like what you see, please share my videos, comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I go live or I upload a video. Until next time, this was pork loin with some twice baked potatoes. I love each and every one of y'all. Claudia C. Bye.